Welcome everybody to another episode. Today I want to talk about having a financial mindset. Having a financial mindset is imperative if you want to become financially independent. If you aren't mentally ready for a financial increase or have a financial mindset, then it won't happen. Even if you do somehow have money and you are making money, it won't last long because of your thinking. The way you think will impact your financial situation. What I want to do in this video is talk about what does a financial mindset mean. I want to also share a story that will help you understand why having a financial mindset can save you from financial headaches in the future. And lastly, I'm going to give you 3 steps to do to start changing your mind into more of a financial mindset. So stick around for more right after this. Before I get started, my name is Austin, and what I like to do here is give motivation and advice on how to become financially independent. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell to get alerts when I upload a new video. Let's get into what a financial mindset is. When you have a financial mindset, you are thinking about your financial future and the financial future of your family, not just the present moment. When you don't plan, prepare, and execute yourself financially, you will end up with nothing, which in turn will not let you leave anything for your family. It's important to think about your financial future. When you have a financial mindset, you are consistently thinking about how you can grow and accumulate wealth. Ask yourself this question: are you thinking about your financial future? If the answer is no, then you should consider making a mental change. If COVID hasn't taught us anything, it taught us to be prepared financially. Anything could happen at any given moment. A lot of people weren't prepared financially because they didn't have a financial mindset. The past is the past and we can't change that, but it's now time to think about the future, your financial future. I now want to get into the story that will help you understand why having a financial mindset can save you from a lot of financial headaches. So it was this guy who inherited 7 figures. So that's anywhere between $1 to $10 million. I'm not sure the exact amount he got, but let's just say it was upwards of $2 million. For those of you who say that isn't a lot of money, understand this person didn't have anything before, and if you don't do right by it, it could be gone instantly. So as soon as he got the money, he quit his job first thing and was doing nothing else but spending the money. He was going on trips, buying clothes, cars, and spending money on family members. Not one time did he spend the money on something that was going to generate him any more money, or did he purchase any assets. The money only lasted for so long, and in 2 years, he was dead broke and had nothing to show for what he spent. That's because he didn't have a financial mindset. Being that he didn't have any savings or income producing assets, he ended up having to go back to work. Going back to work is okay and all, but now he is laid off. Since he is now laid off, he is struggling to find a job because he didn't prepare for a financial future with the opportunity that was given to him. He had the perfect opportunity to set up for a financial future for himself and his family. The blessing was taken for granted because he didn't have a financial mindset. Could you imagine inheriting that type of money and in 2 years you are dead broke and then having to go back to work to just get laid off? Put yourself in that situation. Would you have done something different, or would you have been just like him and spent the money like no tomorrow? Sometimes bad financial situations happen to us because of the choices we make. That's why you need to understand the importance of having a financial mindset, and why having that type of mindset can prevent financial headaches. If you are young and watching this video, don't wait till you are older to start doing this. Take action now. And if you are older, you can still change. Just having a financial mindset doesn't do you any good if you are applying it to your daily life. I'm sure we all have thought about being millionaires or having this abundance of money, but it doesn't come out of thin air. And if it did, are you prepared to make it last? We have to start from the basics to change our mindset. I now want to get into the steps that you need to do. The first step you need to do is figure out what you are spending the current money you have on. Look through your account history online. Look through your bank statements, or even check old receipts. Really sit down and analyze to figure that out. You can then see where your money is going. After that, the second step is to create a budget. Separate the needs from the wants. Needs are needs and wants are wants. There is no in between or gray area with that. The needs come before any wants. Also, you need to make sure you include saving as a need. Consider saving as another bill. You have to stack up for those unforeseen times, whatever the amount is. Once those 2 steps are complete, which is to analyze your spending habits and creating a budget with saving as a bill, you then need to practice this weekly, sticking to your budget and savings plan. Those are the first 2 steps to changing your mind to more of a financial mindset. The third step and final step today is to look at ways you can invest some of the money you have saved or some things that you can do to generate you more money if you aren't ready to invest. If you don't know anything that you can do to generate you more money, there's plenty of things out here. You can start as simple as going to a website called TaskRabbit or Upwork where you can do freelance work for people. The work can be anything from washing people's dishes to running their errands. So you have some options to make some extra money. With that money you make, you can either start using it to invest or build your savings up. Investing isn't about spending thousands of dollars. You can start as low as $5, and the same with savings. The whole point is to start shifting your mindset. We have to start from the basics to shift our mind to prepare us for the next level, which is like starting a business, purchasing real estate, and fully investing. You need to remember that being financially fit is just as important as being physically fit. Have a financial mindset. If you need some help or want some one-on-one coaching, comment below or go to my website, FITCSP.com, to book a session. I will be uploading videos every week to assist you on the journey of becoming financially independent. This information is not hard to apply, but it does take practice and time. Nothing is easy. If you can do me one thing before this video ends, like and share the video to a friend. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.